So hello students, welcome to OTS. On the day we are talking of, we have almost 1 month left for the Territorial Army 2021 written exam as announced, right? So tentative schedule is approximately 1 month away, right? So it's time for the practice, right? So we received some calls actually when students were saying that कि I am in dilemma how to proceed. मतलब अब आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी कैसे करनी है. एक तो सिलेबस भी है, जैसे जीके की बात करें बड़ा वेक्स है. It's completely, you can say that, multi-dimensional syllabus, right? Nobody knows what's going to be asked, although the questions are straightforward one pointers even in mathematics as well as reasoning. But the thing is that what's important this time in TA 2021, that number of aspirants are quite high, right? The pandemic effect is quite visible, right? So as far as aspirants are discussing, because nobody is too much sure about the exact data, more than lakhs of aspirants, right? This is the minimum which I am talking. It may be more, right? More than lakhs of aspirants are appearing for TA 2021 this time, and majority of them are the young aspirants who might be in good competency zone due to their preparation for the different exams, like SSC exams going on these days. So these candidates might be easily, or you can say that if they are prepared enough for SSC, they can crack the TA exam as well. So those who are 25 plus and who may be out of touch, it's time to have practice, right? So those students who might have taken classes from our side or from somebody else as well, and those who have received our booklets, those who have got our booklets, it's time to have practice, right? So that's why we have decided to have this test series, that is TA exam test series, which consists of approximately 18 tests starting from 1st of September. 1st September onwards till 19th of September, we'll be having mock test daily, section wise, right? So it's not that we have complete mathematics text, no, because more or less they will be in the TA exam paper, they will be covering each and every chapter if you have gone through the previous trends as well. सब topics से कुछ ना कुछ questions होते हैं, right? So that's why we need to analyze where you are standing in which portion of the mathematics or reasoning. So that's why we have 5 mock tests for mathematics, algebra, trigo, geometry, this kind of things, right? Reasoning we have around 4 tests, which covers 24 topics as a whole. So even in our booklets, we have covered around 24 topics, the DCA booklets, right? So we have around 4 tests of the reasoning. Then we have English, where we have tried to segregate the grammar, where we'll check you the grammars, vocabs consisting of synonym antonyms, and the RC test. So there will be around 4 tests of English, along with the 5 GK test, right? Which will be different one, like science, geography, polity, history, defense, and current affairs. So as a whole, you will be able to analyze where you lack. Now what's important to check out is that you should have speed, accuracy, and in this high competitive zone. Reason, if there is a limitation which you need to know that, and you might be aware actually, that 40% you need to score in each and every section, which becomes difficult for some of the aspirants. I can say that as a whole you might be getting 50% marks, but you need to ensure that at least 40% is in each section, which makes it tough to clear the total cutoff, you can say that. That's why you need to know what is your accuracy, what is the hit ratio, what is your speed, because mathematics and reasoning paper, right, this needs high speed, because within the simulated time you might not be able to attempt all the question. That's why you need to practice section wise, and for that you need to have a genuine test series, and this will be online, where you can attempt the paper according to your time convenience, right? So many of the aspirants might be working, so you can take your own time within that 24 hours. You can attempt 40-45 minutes test daily, and then check out what is your accuracy, what was your mistake, what was the correct answer, so that it can give you a chance to improve upon your preparation, right? So that's important. The complete schedule and the plan of the test series is, we have this. You can ask us, you can WhatsApp at 7710548960. That's official number as well, right? आप इस पे WhatsApp करेंगे, they will share you the PDF of the complete schedule plan for the test series, right? And of course this is free for all our classroom students as well as the students who have received the booklets, right? For others it is 330 for this 18 test, right? Because it needs effort to prepare. So 330 is not a big deal. It's less than the cost of a pizza actually, right? So you need to ensure that what actually you are planning for your career, it should be worthy, it should be learning one, and this is what we will offer. This is our promise, which I can say. right? So you can get all the details at our official number 771054890. Thank you. Good luck.